variable is categorical, nominal. Convert natin siya to numeric, no? So yung 1, so click on this, may dot dyan sa values. Click 1, type 1, and then PHU, second sem, school year 2016, 2017. Then click add.
Ano po lagay po na malabas yung baka yung number of variables?
I-cancel na yan. Pag i-cancel na
Oh, sorry.
Ano nagkakaroon ng name type with stuff?
So, nakaganito na ako for the duration of the class.
Hindi ko magamit.
Mag-share muna kayo doon. Hindi tayo mag-stop dyan sa para sa about sa side. Okay? Doon sa mag-share muna kayo sa nag-work. Nag-work.
Hindi ko magamit.
I-cancel. Dito kasi muna. Dito sila.
Cool na home screen.
Nag-work. So mag-share muna kayo doon sa nag-work. Sa kanya natin yung gawa. Okay, so maghanap kayo. Can we proceed? Okay na?
Kaya pala na-open ko to kasi may
Nag-work pa tayo.
walang internet. May internet. Meron ba?
I-video ko pa rin, Maro. I-stop ko muna.
Anong pangalan mo ba, Sia?
Dari.
I love you.
Email niya.
I would say work. Okay. Let's continue.
So, I love you. Wait.
Okay. Tingnan natin. Punta kayo sa dito, click on kanina dito. Yan. So, values na. So, click nyo yan.
Type 1.
To qualify natin yung section, to convert natin yung numeric. Since it's
Is what?
nominal variable, let's convert to numeric. So, 1 for, nakuha niya na? PHU, and then
Second
Paano mo
sem,
nalagyan ng name
school year
type?
26,
school year 2016, 2017, and then add. Tapos 2 for section 2 na. WFU, second sem, school year
Kuha dito ang paper ng MBA.
2016,
Wow.
Paano to ginawa?
2017, add.
Bata pa.
Tapos 3 for
Intercourse.
PHU section. Tapos
Paano mo pinalitan yung nasa taas?
school year 2009-2010.
Mara? Paano?
At
Oh.
tapos
Oh my God.
4 for WFU,
Bakit ba kasi
Variable
hindi na lang?
second sem, school year 2000.
Ah, bakit sa value niyo nilalagay? Di ba sa label dapat? Ah, hindi yan pala.
4 and then label. It's
WF2, FU. Second sem,
second sem,
2009-2010.
school year 2009.
Input 1. Tapos yung PHU second sem, school year 2016-2017.
Okay.
Tapos add. Tapos ganun, diretso lang.
Then click OK.
I love you, no.
Yan. Next would be, next variable that we're going to create is scores.
Ano lang yan, PHU, tapos WFU, tapos school year 2016-2017.
Decimals, what
And
is
then 2009-2010 na.
Second sem pa rin.
Yeah.
this one?
Tingnan ko pa rin.
Label, don't forget to
2009-2010 din,
label yung
PHU,
variable.
WFU.
So, lagay natin first exam
PHU.
course.
Second sem.
Second sem lahat.
Okay? Tapos values na, no? Kasi numeric naman yung ating
Tapos,
data.
Full year.
Tapos,
2009,
as is,
2010. Ay, joke, 1 ba yan? 2016, 2017.
lower left. Now we have created
1 into
two
2016,
first part of
2017.
the section, the second part
3 and
of
4,
the
2000.
Paano
2000.
mag-upload?
So go to your Excel file.
Bobo fa.
Okay, plus okay dapat. After.
Highlight from A2
So, paano?
and down. A163 to B163.
Haba.
Okay, and then copy. Copy this data to your SPSS data window. Copy dyan. Ang Excel natin.
Paste.
Paste. Okay. Kung hindi lumalabas itong labels, what you can do is, lumalabas ba yung ito? So you can just click on view, tapos value labels.
Anong ginagawa?
Pag ganyan na lumalabas, click on
Sinapin niya yung data sa Excel, tapos binas niya sa, yan, sa SPSS.
para at least kita nyo kung ano yung it's been 1, 2, 3.
2010 yung 4.
So you can save this.
It's okay. Okay.
Save natin. Save.
Tapos kinopy and paste niya yung data sa Excel. Yung data.
Kukunin mo lang. Tapos,
Yung pinakamataas yung sa pinakababa. Yan.
ganyan.
Yeah.
Tapos
Same.
copy paste mo
Yeah.
lang.
Pinaste niya sa wall
When you save
na
your data,
SPSS.
merong output
Saan
window
niya
na
nga nilagay?
so lahat ng
Yung sa
data
number
will
one.
be
First
Oh, shit.
registered. Lahat ng
cell
output
ng SPSS.
will show in this window.
Ito?
Yeah.
Okay?
Thanks.
Ayan, so
Saya mo yung laptop.
Yun lang ang nangyari.
Eh,
smile lang yung internet.
variable name.
Pwede mag-share ka muna, wala tayong internet connection.
Ano? Variable name. Sorry.
Wala yung share.
Label for sila.
Okay, nag-share ba kayo? Dito ka na lang. Meron ba?
Na gano'n. Paano mo na-copy?
Paano mo na-copy?
Sa Excel.
Anong
Yung data
sinelect
lang.
mo? Anong sinelect mo? Ito? Ito lahat?
Oo.
Tama na.
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ba't sa kanya hindi pwede?
Kasi save ko as one. Buy one and
Okay, so open your data.
Wait lang. Ay, no.
Open nyo yan. So let's do some analysis. So for example, if you want to analyze the data from your section, so here we have 163 cases. 163. There are 163.
Iyak.
Ah, okay. Tama, 162. 162. So 162 cases, 162. So let's analyze the data from your section muna. So click on data. And then select cases dito sa pinaka second to the last. Select cases. Here, let's select data or cases from your section. So click on the condition is satisfied.
Ang saya.
And then keep BIOS section,
I
BIOS
hate
section
technology so
equals
much.
Same.
1 to 2. Section 2, di ba? Load natin 1 for each section, 2 for your section. So continue.
Hindi pa ako
Section equals
nag-aaral.
2. So we're going to select only the cases or data from your section. Continue and then click OK. Ayan, so nagre-register pa ng ginagawa natin. Then close, minimize the output window. So makikita nyo, may cross out to, not selected yung other cases other than yung selected lang is from your area. So the analysis will only be done on those cases that are selected. Click analyze. So dito yung analyze. And then click descriptive statistics. So then descriptive statistics, tables, comparables, general linear model, and so on, and then lahat ng analysis. So click on frequencies. So first select first exam scores, then right arrow, and then statistics that can be done on each quartile. You want percentiles. The 10th percentile, how's the first quartile, yes, 25th percentile also. Second quartile, 50th percentile. How's the third
may mga
quartile,
nakamark.
75th.
Bakit?
And then let's just say the
Kompletito data sa kanila.
90th percentile and the 95th percentile.
Yun nga lang.
Then let's show the mean, median, mode. Get this up. Standard deviation, variance, range, the minimum value, the maximum value, standard error of the mean. Then there's also this discuss this thing, skewness and frequencies. Let's continue. Tapos may mga charts pa. What do you want? Histograms na lang with show the normal curve on the histogram.
Bakit iba?
Continue. Then click OK. Yeah, it's output window, so you have the number of cases. The mean, the standard error of the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance. That's skewness, they don't discuss it all. There's also a standard error of skewness, kurtosis, and the statistic. Range, the minimum, the maximum value. The 10th percentile. 90th, if your score is 88, so 90% of 37 have scores that are below 80. Then if your score is 96, 95% of 37 have scores below your score. Ito yung frequency tabular. Then the histogram with the
Wow.
it looks normal naman. Graphically. Okay, next. So that's what will appear kapag when you click on frequencies. The next descriptives. For descriptives, ganun din descriptive statistics for first exam score, the options, the mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, the variance, the range, standard error of the mean, kurtosis, basically the same as before kanina. Medium, okay. Sorry. Ito sa analyze, tapos descriptive statistics, and then click on descriptives. Tapos ipasok nyo yung variable to be analyzed with is first exam scores. And then click options. Then just click on mean, standard deviation, variance, range, minimum, maximum, standard error, kurtosis, and skewness. And click continue and then
Inad
okay.
sa-
Then, so it will present the data display tabular.
Mika.
You can
Paano mo inayos yung
click
nandito?
on the clipboard and then you can copy this, transfer to your file.
Section.
Madali lang siya. But of course, pag thesis ito, dapat hindi gano'n. Create your own table. Tapos ipasok nyo lahat ng data. Kasi meron ka pang table kahit okay, next, we're going to analyze all the data. Yung kanina is from your section lang, but let's include the data from the 3 other sections. So go to your data window. Okay? Now, don't forget, ito sa data na to, yung cases that are selected, yung sa section lang, no? So highlight this filter $$ column, and then you clear, delete. So that all the data will be selected. Don't forget to do that. We're going to analyze all the data. Okay? So analyze, click on analyze.
Sinara na ni
Tingnan yung
Hannah.
data, if there are outliers, na may outliers, go back to your
Hindi naman to kasama.
data, baka may mali coding or
Sana din
real
for
talaga.
tours and
So, click explore. Okay na yan. So, from click analyze and then descriptive statistics, click explore. Tapos, dependent this is the variable that you're going to analyze. Factor will be the categorical variable, categories, the section.
Pasan yan.
Okay? Tapos,
hopefully
click
kaya.
on
Tagal mo.
statistics.
Ay,
Tapos, descriptives, okay na yan. Percentiles, if you want. Lalabas natin. And then, plots. May stem and leaf. So, dyan nakikita yung stem and leaf plot.
Pagkatapos mong mag-add ng values, anong ginawa mo? Kinapit paste.
And then, we also do, we want to check,
Yung
Gagawin yung
value.
first.
ay, sorry, sana kayo.
Ulit lang.
Ulit.
Value labels. On main value labels.
Analyze descriptive statistics. We're going to do exploratory data analysis. So, descriptive statistics, explore. Tapos sa explore, ipasok dependencies.
Ano yung type?
will be the
Categorical?
Data variable that we want to analyze. So, first example, source.
Anong ginawa?
Factor list will be the category, yung section.
Section numeric.
Tapos click on statistics.
82 by 180 section.
Tapos click
Tapos
descriptive.
yung
Tapos yung values.
If you want outliers, percentiles.
Yun lang.
Okay, wala pa kayo sa continue. And then plots.
Ayaw talaga.
Stem and leaf plot, ilabas natin histogram. By default, ilabas kita yung stem and leaf
Yung
plot.
pag-copy lang.
Histogram and then normality plots. Because you want to check kung yung data from each section is normal. Comes from a normally distributed population. And then, yes, okay then. Continue and then okay. Ayan. So, pwede na yan? So, the number of cases for each section. 36,
Ano no?
47.
Tingin yung video eh.
Descriptive statistics for each section.
Si Angie ng Facebook niya.
And
Gusto ko yun.
Bakit ayaw
the
makopy
mean,
ng sa
95% confidence interval for the mean, lower bound, upper
Dito lang
bound.
ako na.
Pwede mo mag-discuss na ulit tayo.
95% evidence to median. Then 5% lead mean, we have discussed that before. Median, variance, and elevation, minimum, maximum. Range, interquartile range is what? IQR. That's Q3 minus Q1. It's also a measure of dispersion.
Bakit weird yung
If you
standard
guys,
div?
discuss that later, then for causes. Okay? Next. And then for the in section, yun ito pala yung data na from your section. So average 72.78, 95% confidence
Mataas na.
5% median,
Illegal first car.
median, and so on. Now, and so on. Okay. And then the percentiles, so then bawat section. Then the extreme values. Extreme values na. And then test of normality. So how can you know? Di ba may sa mga problems, assume that the data is normal, but there's a test for that. You can make use of SPS test. So the null hypothesis is here for this test. So there are two tests na Kolmogorov-Smirnov. Nasa handout niya. Kolmogorov-Smirnov and Shapiro-Wills test. Test for normality. So just look at the probability value. If you have read the article, meron doon about the p-value. There's the significance na SPSS, significance yun. If the p-value is 0.05 or less, you reject the null hypothesis. For this test, the null hypothesis is that the data comes from a normal distribution. The data comes from a population that is normally distributed. When p-value significance is greater than 0.05, you fail to reject the null. Quote unquote, you accept that the data come from a normally distributed population. So for your section THU, is it normal or not normal? The data set from normally distributed population or Normal, kasi more than 0.05. Ganon din dito. Now, for this section, sabi ko sa doon, itong dalawang sections, using this S, hindi siya normal, no? But using Colmogorov Smirnov, normal siya. So may discrepancy between the two. But for your section, it is the two tests na
Kaya naman pala.
pag ganyan, the Shapiro and Wills sa handout.
Oh no.
On page,
Bakit?
Baka isama bigla sa exam. Kaya ganito. Call mo go off.
okay, sa page 92, Shapiro will test is used for samples with 50 or fewer observations. But Kolmogorov Smirnov test is used for samples of
Oh my God, nasa baba
whatever
yung
sample
bag ko.
size. Now, pag ganito, you can use your judgment. You can look at meron ibang test na din, which I will going to discuss later, mga normality plots, normal quick plot, trended. But kung nag-agree na dalawa, at least you're assured na your data is comes from the normally distributed population. If not, then you have to make use of your judgment. Masyadong strict yung Shapiro-Wilks test. Masyado siyang strict. Pag ganyan, halimbawa if the data set hindi pa rin talaga siya normal, kahit na regardless of anong test, kahit na graphical siya, usually ang ginagawa is data transformation. You have to transform your data in width before doing analysis of variance. So you have to transform by getting the probability of each value, or
On
then
may value
subject
labels.
again, you test again.
Ayan.
If not,
Tapos,
then do
analyze na
the
yung
different
next.
data transformation procedures para at least
Dun sa
you will have,
descriptives.
if you can satisfy the assumption of normality. So
Lagay mo
that
yung
you
var.
That
Yan.
will be for the
Click.
second half of
Tapos
the
options.
Okay,
Tapos on mo
even
lahat
the
yun.
meaning of p-value, that will be discussed
Ah.
later.
Pertosis and
Hindi.
Smirnov.
Orthosis at
When the
squares.
p-value is 0.05, why
Hindi
is
ata.
that you reject the
Yan,
number?
continue.
0.05 yes.
Okay.
Why is it that you fail to reject when it's greater than 0.05?
Ayan.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's
Tapos
the
sa,
histogram.
doon sa next na yung isa.
Sa class nyo,
Anong
that's
sunod?
Explore.
that's where your class nila is. Normal yan.
Analyze pa rin.
And then the seven-day
Tapos
class,
diba, lagay mo
how to
yung
interpret.
var mo ulit nun sa
Yan,
dependent list.
you can make
Tapos sa factor list, lagay mo yung bio 180 section.
to test for normality.
Tapos,
Halimbawa,
yan, i-click mo yung
for your
taas.
section, pag
Statistics.
this is known as the normal QQ plot. Sa handout nyo, merong procedure
On mo
on how
lahat
to
yan.
compute. You can go through that. But we'll not
Plots
be-
din. Plots.
Hindi ko
Ah,
apply pa po. Although the
Yung
the
histogram
formulas
lang.
are in the formula sheet.
okay.
Pag when the data is perfectly normal,
Lalabas na yung
lahat
iba
ng
dyan.
data points will lie on the line. Pag perfectly normal talaga.
Mabagal lang.
Perfect level.
Yeah.
Otherwise, kapag ganyan, kasi that is actual
Kaya
data.
happy.
So you don't expect
So happy
all the
for us.
line points to be fall on the line. Pero at least very close. So ito medyo malayo siya, but at least hindi sila ganun kalayo. Medyo subjective, how far, how big. So that's why I prefer the Shapiro Wilks to Colmogorov.
Yan na. Qt plot tsaka pp plot.
Just for your data set. Kaya ito medyo so using the Shapiro Wilks,
Masaya kasi.
medyo
Stress
hindi
na
siya
stress siya kanina.
normal. No? You reject the normal. Kasi maraming mga malayo sa straight line. Malayo sa diagonal line. Those points are the slope points. Pag marami na kayong na-analyze na data, from practice, makikita niyo
Grabe, ano mo?
data set is considered normal, which is not normal.
102 tsaka 101.
That's a backslide. You have to interpret backslide.
Dalawa lang ang plot.
The Q3, the median, the Q1, the interquartile, quartile range, which is a measure of dispersion. No, and then of course yung maximum value that is not an outlier. So at least walang outliers. Walang outliers sa lahat ng settings. Extreme low or extreme high.
Ganyan ang flow.
At least.
Ayun, yun na kasi. Now, although wala pa kayo sa... There's an introduction to the next half of the semester, hypothesis testing. Let's apply analysis of variance. See, we're comparing four means, but we don't more means to compare. Kung mayroong statistical difference, significant difference between the mean scores of the four sections. So let's analyze the data set using analysis of variance. Just to give you a snapshot of kung gagawin sa so, analyze, compare means, and tingnan natin kung significantly different yung average from the three other classes. Click on one-way ANOVA. Those dependent would be the first exam scores. That's the variable that we're going to analyze, the independent. And then, ang factor nyo will be the session. Tapos, assuming sa ANOVA, may significant difference, p-value method in using SPS, R, gano'n. It's a p-value method. Which means, palagi, p-value, P for probability value, significance. Pag 0.05 or less, reject na null. Pag more than 0.05, reject na null. The null for ANOVA is that we have four means to compare, all are equal. U1 equals U2 equals U3 equals to U4. Okay? The alternative hypothesis is that at least two of the means are not equal. If you will reject the null, it means at least two of the means are not equal. And with four means, how many pairwise comparisons can you do? Alam niyo na yung number of combinations. With four means, the number of combinations of 4 taken 2. And that would be 4 factorial, 2 factorial over 2 factorial, which is 6 pairwise comparisons. Now, you will only proceed to post hoc kapag may significant difference. Otherwise, if there's none, then you don't need to proceed to post hoc analysis. So click post hoc. Let's just assume na baka meron. I-click na lang natin. Ang daming mga post hoc procedures. Usually dump is what we call range test. Pwede rin tactics. This we will discuss in second. Just click on that. Isa lang muna yan. Para malaman natin, in case na may statistical difference, which means are significantly different from them. Then click continue, and then click OK. Ayan. So there's an ANOVA table, that's a branch table. You will compute for this manually. Para at least hindi lang ganyan. Alam mo paano na-derive to, paano na-derive yung degrees of freedom, that means where the F value. So F distribution. Ang ginagamit. We haven't discussed F distribution. We have discussed chi-square distribution. Then significance. So significance value, ano ay p-value 0.05 or less, reject na na. This one, 0.07, fail to reject. So ibig sabihin, as you see, means are not significantly different from each other. Although 72 average na yung mga 77, they are not statistically significantly different from each other. Okay, ganun lang. Now, before doing ANOVA, there's a test for homogeneity variances. Kung applicable ba yung ANOVA sa data set. So, click on Analyze, Compare Means, then one-way ANOVA, test for homogeneity of variances, options, and then click on this. Let's see if ANOVA is applicable to our data set. There's this test known as homogeneity of variance test. That will explain sa second half. Kailangan natin test. Anong bakit din yung mga assumptions. Continue and then okay. Ayan, the test is known as the Levene's test. Ang ibig sabihin ng homogeneity of variance test, you are assuming that the variances of the four samples are the same. Although not exactly the same, di ba yung variance na nakamit natin kanina is medyo magkakaiba, but are they significantly different from each other? So if not, then you cannot apply ANOVA. But again, yung null doon is the variances are assumed equal, are the same for the four populations. The alternative is at least two are not the same. Ano to? So reject or fail to reject na lang. Fail to reject kasi it's more than 0.05. Ibig sabihin, you satisfy the assumption of homogeneity parenting. The variances are shown equal. Therefore, you can proceed with the function. Otherwise, kung pababa yan, less than 0.05, then that's not applicable. So you'll have to do data transformation. So that's an overview of what we i-discuss lahat. Pakita natin yung graphs sa last na to, simula pa ako sa topic na discuss, sa SPSS. Legacy dialogues, click on legacy dialogues. And then ipakita natin yung error bars, legacy. So you can do bar, chart, line, area, scatter, may scatter dyan. Last time pinakita ko sa scatter plot. It's discussion natin ng graphical space. But click on error bars. So nandiyan din yung backsplat. Kung gusto nyo mag-construct individually ng backsplat, you can also click on graphs. So simple lang, error bars. And then click define. Tapos first variable is first exam score. Tapos category axis for section. And then, di ba remember the paper? May mga ibang types of error bars. Okay? Descriptive error bars are range and SD, diba? Differential error bars, SEM, at saka standard error, or standard errors, standard error. And confidence
Ano ba yung SEM?
Let's make use of
Standard error.
SEM.
Pinagkaiba niya sa SE.
Tapos multiplier, wala. As is, wala tayong multiplier. In some cases kasi, if you want to magnify the standard para makita yung difference ng SEM or SD, multiply siya by 2. Okay? But usually, hindi siya multiply. As it is. Lalo na pag malaki yung SEM. So multiplier, none. Tapos, okay. Ayun na. Ilalim. Ganyan. So very clear. Citing section. Ito. There's a THU section. You can get the mean, no? Then that's one estimate.
Hindi kami yan, sir.
Yan, sir.
Mababa.
Underperform.
Okay, so ganyan yung distribution. Very clear. Okay?
Na-judge ka.
Walang outliers. So thankfully, wala namang
Siya yung
outliers.
pinakataas natin.
So normal natin. Simple as that, no? Marami pa kayo magagawa sa SPSS. With that, at least you know how to input your data pag naroon na lang. Okay? Ano yung click? Paano mag-select ng cases? One last thing. You can also compute for the different table natin limited. Say for example, the binomial up to 20 cases, 20 trials na. But with this, unlimited. So let's just say 50 trials. Click on transform. Remember binomial? So ang kailangan nyo? Sa binomial, N number of cases, A probability of success, and then yung D na number of ano naman yan, your X. So compute variable, tapos binomial, click binomial, click type binomial, tapos pwede nga mag-type ng label na sa binomial para sa output. And then continue. Tapos dito sa function group, nandito lahat yan. CDF, cumulative distribution function and non-central CDF. Click on that. Then sa baba, makikita nyo lahat ng CDF. We haven't discussed all of this, but we have discussed binomial. Tapos nandyan din yung chi-square distribution. Tapos nandyan din yung
Nakakatuwa kayo, bahala kayo.
Pinaghihirapan natin, meron naman sa ganito.
Then normal. Yeah, CDF normal, the Z distribution. Now let's try binomial. Ito, click on this. Tapos when you click on CDF binomial, there are explanation dyan. So cumulative distribution function binomial. You need the quantile, that's your G or X. And the number of trials. Then prob for the probability of success. Now, let's just check kung tama yung nasa muna. So, go to page 3. Page 3. Ito, ang gagawin nyo is up arrow nyo arrow. So we have selected CDF Nobel, up arrow. And then, yung mga question mark palitan yan. So yung first would be the quantile. Say if n is 20, and then, say 10. What is the probability if there are 20 trials that 10 will be heads? Di ba kung coin toss na experimental? And then number of trials is 20, number of tosses, for example. Probability of success, for example, is, di ba kung unbiased yung coin, probability of getting a head, for example na, is 0.6. That's the probability of success. Di ba kung unbiased, bias yung coin rather. Yan, di ba ganyan? The number of trials, number of heads will be at most 10. Okay? And then 20 trials, and then probability of success is 0.6. So from the table, ano yung value? Doon sa page 3 of your appendix. By the way, photocopy the first 6 pages. Para gamitin nyo rin.
First 6 pages.
The answer is
Hanggang chi-square.
Yung table.
0.2447. 0.2447. Now, if you're going to click copy, tingnan natin yung data window. And then for the 2 decimals na kasi yan ang default niya. Let's make this into, let's say, 6 lang, or 7. So 7 decimal places yan. So it's 2 point, actually pag 7 decimal places, more than that, it's 2.244660. So for whatever value of n, whatever value of p, you can make use of SPSS. Okay, you can also make use for Z distribution, T distribution, Poisson, and so on. Okay then, so next, last na. About the symmetry and orthosis. Let me demonstrate this. Kung ito lang naiwan,